In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom sections in Slack. Custom sections are a great way to organize your channels and direct messages, especially if you're part of multiple projects or teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a new section and start grouping things so your Slack sidebar feels cleaner and easier to navigate. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and look over to the left-hand sidebar where all your channels and conversations appear. You'll see existing headers or sections there, such as starred, channels, or direct messages. To start creating a custom section, move your mouse over any of those headers. When you hover over a header, a small menu or drop-down icon will appear next to it. Click on that header or the small drop-down icon next to it. This opens up a menu that lets you manage how your sidebar is organized. From this menu, look for the option that says Manage Section and click on it. This is where Slack lets you edit existing sections or create new ones. Once the management window or menu opens, you'll see an option that says Create a new section. Go ahead and click on Create a new section. This is the key step that tells Slack you want to add your own custom grouping instead of just using the default ones. A small form or pop-up will appear asking you for a section name. Click into the text field and type in the name you want to use. Try to choose a name that clearly describes what will go inside that section, like Project Alpha, Client Work, or Team Leads. Clear naming makes it much easier to find what you need later. You can always come back and rename the section if your needs change. After you've entered the section name and you're happy with it, look for the button that says Create and Add. Click on Create and Add to confirm. Slack will now create your new custom section and add it to your sidebar. From here, you can start dragging channels and direct messages into your new section to keep everything neatly grouped. That's all you need to do to create custom sections in Slack and make your workspace more organized and efficient.